bird. Where's that bird? Yeah, I see the bird. Yeah. That's Coco Bird. You see him? Yes, he's the big bird, huh? Yeah, I'm a big bird. I'm a big boy bird, huh? Yes, I am. Yeah. Say, hey, bird. Say, good morning. Good morning, bird. Yeah. Come here, Chino. Do you like the bird? Yes, you do. Yeah, I love that bird. He's a good bird. Yes, he is. You gonna give him kisses? Give him a kiss? You gonna give that bird a kiss? Yeah, I love you, bud. I love you. Yeah, I love you, bud. Yeah. That a kitty? Is that the kitty? You see the bird? You gonna kiss him? Yeah, you kiss that bird. Give me a kiss. Yeah, I love you, bud. Yeah. You're the kitty bird, huh? Hey, come here, Cello. Come and see the bird. Cello bird. Where's that bird? Come here, Cello. Say, where's that little bird at? Where's that bird? Say, oh my God, look at all the lights. It's beautiful. Yeah. Coco can see the bird, can't you, Coco Bird? Yeah, I see the bird. See, Dottie sees the bird, don't you, Dottie Bird? Say hello, little bird. I love you. You love that bird, huh? You want to kiss him? You want to give that bird a kiss? You kiss that bird. Here's Stuart. There's. Whoops, I'm sorry. Say, you see Stuart, bird? Where's Stuart? Say, there I am. Say, yeah, I'm a pretty bird. You want to kiss that bird? You get the bird. Say hello, bird. Yeah. Say hello, baby. Everybody's seeing themselves. Look at Jello. Hey, Jello bird. Hey, Mr. Jello. Yeah. And here's Coco Bird. Yeah, Daddy just knocked him one, huh? Say, Daddy, what'd you hit me for? I didn't do nothing. See that boy? Oh, can't zoom in this mode. Jello sees the bird, don't you, Jello? Come here. Come see the bird. Come give him a kiss. Where's that bird? You guys all see the bird? You see that bird, huh? Yeah, you guys like that bird. Hey, Dottie Bird, you be nice. You don't peck the other birds. Say, I love that bird. Yes, I do. Do you love that bird? You see her? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Where's the bird? Hey, I see that little bird. Yeah. See, where is she? Yeah, Stuart sees him. Say, oh, I see that bird. Yeah, I love you, bird. Come on. Come over here and see the bird. Where's that bird? Is he cute? Say, that's a cute bird, huh? Yes, it is. Say, I love you, bird. Want to kiss him? Yeah. Say, that's me. Yeah, I'm gorgeous. Yeah, I'm a cute bird. You want to bite Dad's finger? Yeah, Dad. I'm going to bite your finger. There's Dottie Bird. See, come here, Dottie. See, there she is. See, oh no, I'm running away. Yeah. Come here, Stuart, you silly bird. Dottie Bird, yes, you like that bird, don't you? See, I see her. Yes, you gonna peck her? I gotta peck that bird. Yeah, I'm gonna get that bird. Come here, Cello. Where's the bird, Cello bird? Where's that bird? You see the bird? Yeah, I see the bird. Yeah, I see your bird. Yeah. You like that bird, huh? Oh, Cello. Yeah, I like that bird. Yeah. Yeah, you guys like seeing the bird, huh? Yes, you do. Dulce is like, who is that beautiful bird? Yes, who is she? That's a pretty bird, huh? Yes, it is. Coco likes the bird too, huh? Yeah, I like the bird. All right, guys. Dad's got to go to work.